before, watch how Windows has actually grown from different versions to another versions now, and now we are in Windows 11, and there's one thing that's actually missing till now, and I think we have to fix it now. The mouse cursor. The Windows mouse cursor has been the same old boring mouse cursor till now, and there's no changes to it. Windows 11 came and we saw this Windows 11 concept mouse cursor, but it wasn't actually for Windows, and it has to still be that same boring old mouse cursor. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of the top beautiful mouse cursors which you can actually install on your Windows now and just get rid of the default one. This cursors I'm going to show you also works in macOS as well. Before we get started, only few percent of you guys who watch my videos has actually subscribed, so please subscribe and let's get started into the video. So we can start whilst not showing my favorite one first. I think I have to show you what I actually prefer as my own personal one, and it comes with a whole lot of nice effects that is really going to blow your mind. And this cursor I'm talking about is called DEM4, and they have a whole lot of versions for this mouse cursor, but this is my favorite version because it comes with a whole lot of variants and colors, and I think it's pretty cool. So with this, you can get a whole lot of effects like this gradient effect when you hover on any link you see over here, and it's pretty cool. It has a pencil effect over here when you click on any set bar or an input field, and it's pretty amazing. It comes with a whole lot of crazy new features, and I think you have to actually check it out for yourself before you know what it really comes with. Over here, I've provided a zip file where you can get all the favorite cursors that I'm going to use in this video inside it. So with this, if I click on each one, you are going to see it comes with the premium version and the free version over here, and you can feel free and go with any of them you want. And my favorite and my personal one that I use the most is this prismatic premium, and it's pretty nice. So with this, you get to have a whole lot of beautiful effect over here, where this is the busy one and it gets to shake when it's loading, and it has a whole lot of vibe, and every effect you see over here, it's nice and it has a high quality over its effects. So when I move the mouse cursor down here, you are going to see that it has this nice gradient effect on it, and it's pretty cool. So to install this one, you just have to right click on the install and just click on install and just click on yes, and here it's going to install it for you. And to set it up, you can just head to your settings over here, and what you have to do next is to click on personalization, go to themes and click on mouse cursor. So with this, it will take you to the mouse cursor section over here, and you just have to click on mouse, scroll down and click on additional mouse settings, which is going to open this mouse properties. And once this pop up, you can just click on the pointer section and just select the mouse cursor over here. So I'll just click it, and here you go to see all the things it comes with. You just have to click on OK to actually set it up on your computer. It's pretty easy. So this is one of the best mouse cursors that I'm going to show you in this video, and they are pretty cool ones, and they all ranges from different vibes and different feels. So I think it's really going to make the whole thing amazing. And if you really like contents like this, make sure you actually subscribe, and let's move to the next one. The next one I'm going to show you is called Genshin Impact mouse cursor, and with this one, it comes with a whole lot of icons, effects and animations, but it's more like it's for people who actually loves animes and the rest. With this vibe, you're gonna have nice mouse cursor with a nice animation and effect. So when I install it, this one is just going to pop up the mouse properties over here for me to just click on it and click on apply and click on yes, and you can see that it has this beautiful animation cursor and it's looking beautiful. So I think this is one of the best one if you are into this anime vibes, and this is pretty cool. So with this, it comes with the animation for everything you do, like this minimization. You're gonna see this nice effect at the corner over here, and it's pretty cool. So this one is also a nice one which comes with a nice effect which you can actually get for yourself. It also comes with macOS version which you can install for yourself if you use macOS, and they have the GIF over here for you to see whatever it comes with. So when I open it up, you're gonna see all of them in a nice GIF version, but because it's a mouse cursor, you're going to see it doesn't look pretty cool when you open the GIF. And yeah, we have the static one here which you can also install, and with this you're not going to get that beautiful animations, which I think is not that nice. The next one I'm going to show you is called Helion, and this one is a pretty nice one too because it comes with different variants of sizes, and I think you can go with any one you want. So with the large one, it's going to show in large icons like this, and it's pretty cool. So let me install it quickly for you to see how it looks like. So I'll just right click on it and click on install, and here I'll just select it up. So we have the large. I just want to go with the large so that you get to see what I'm actually doing. So I'll just click on OK and just apply it, and this is the mouse cursor. So when I get to the corner, you're going to see this beautiful effect at the corner, and this has some uniqueness in all the mouse cursors I'm going to show you because it comes with its own vibes and effect, and I think it's pretty cool. So it has this nice animation effect and nice beautiful effect for everything that you do, like the loading and a whole lot. So even if it's an input field that I'm going to use, you're gonna see this nice cursor animation for the mouse cursor, and I think it's pretty cool. The next one I'm going to show you is kind of a simple and a clean mouse cursor, and you are going to see it's called Simplify.2, and this one is more like a clean and simple one that anyone who loves minimalism will like. So with this, we have the dark version and also the light version, and if you prefer any of them, you can just go with it. I'm going to go with it white version, which I really like, so I'll just right click on it and install. And once installed, so I'll just go in real quick, and here what I'll do is to just click on it and just select the Simplify.2 light and just click on apply, click on yes, and click on OK. And this looked really small, but you can see that it has this nice dots as our mouse cursor, and it has some kind of uniqueness to our Windows view. So anytime you get to the corner, it has this beautiful view and nice. And this is the dark version too, and I think this is very clean and simple. So if you want some kind of a simple clean version of your mouse cursor, I think you can go with this. It doesn't feel bad at all. It's really nice, so you can also go with this. And the last mouse cursor I'm going to show you is called Vision, and this is one of the nicest mouse cursor you can also have, and this actually gives your Windows computer some kind of animations plus the default mouse cursor, because this looks like a Windows 12 mouse cursor, which Windows should have actually installed in Windows for us. So I'm going to go with the white version to actually make it feel like it's actually a Windows mouse cursor. So with this, you can see that it has a whole lot of icons and it has a whole lot of feel to it, and it looks more like some kind of modern style icon. So I'll just right click and install it up over here and just set it up over here to see. And look at this, this feels like it's made for Windows 11 because it has its own modern rounded feel, like this flower design, and I think this is a pretty cool one that anyone should also try it out. And it's pretty cool. It has this loading animations, which is more like Windows 11 with a nice gradient around it. Yeah, this is the top 5 mouse cursors that I think are the best for your computer, which can actually elevate how you use your Windows computer, or it being macOS. And if you really like content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.